What if I told you that the most important investment you'll ever make isn't in stock, real estate, or even a business, but in yourself? In 2025, the biggest factor determining your success, happiness, and financial future isn't luck, talent, or even hard work. It's your willingness to invest in your own growth. And I get it. Life gets busy, and self improvement often takes a backseat to responsibilities, deadlines, and day to day struggles. But here's the truth: if you are not actively investing in yourself, you are failing behind. The world is evolving, and the people who thrive are the ones who prioritize growth, learning, and self development. For those of you new here, my name is Yann Bakebongo. I'm a digital entrepreneur and growth strategist. I've spent years studying the habits of high achievers and the impact of personal investment. And today, I'm going to show you why self-investment is the ultimate key to unlocking your full potential, and exactly how you can start investing in yourself today. In this video, we will break down the science of self-investment. We will explore the areas that have the highest return on investment and give you a step-by-step plan to start transforming your life immediately. And if you stay until the end, I will share a free self-investment blueprint to help you create your own personal development plan for 2025. Let's start with why self-investment is so powerful. Recent studies shows that individuals who actively invest in their personal growth experience greater success, higher income, and increased life satisfaction compared to those who don't. It's not a coincidence. Self-investment compounds over time. Just like financial investment, it is one thing to want a better life, but research proves that those who actually allocate time, money, and effort towards self-improvement are far more likely to achieve their goals. The question isn't just how bad do you want it, but how much are you willing to invest in yourself? The return on investment for self-improvement isn't always instant, but it's exponential. People who continuously learn, prioritize health, and build meaningful relationships are not only more successful, but they also report higher levels of happiness and fulfillment. Start treating your self-growth like an investment portfolio. Commit to small, consistent efforts every day. Now let's go over the 5 key areas of self-investment that bring the highest returns. The first area, continuous learning. In a rapidly changing world, the people who stay ahead are the ones who never stop learning. Whether it's acquiring new skills, staying updated with industry trends, or seeking higher education, lifelong learning is a non-negotiable. Here is how to invest in learning. Read at least 1 book per month in your field. Take online courses on Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Follow industry leaders and consume expert content. The second area, health and well-being. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. If you neglect your physical and mental health, no amount of success will matter. Here's how to invest in your health. Exercise at least 3 to 5 times per week. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Get regular health checkups and prioritize sleep. The third area, financial literacy. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you do not know how to manage it, you will never be truly free. Here's how to invest in financial knowledge. Create a budget and stick to it. Learn about investing, wealth building, and retirement planning. Read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad Poor Dad. The fourth area, building relationships and networks. The quality of the relationship determines the quality of your life. The right people can open doors, provide opportunities, and elevate your mindset. And here's how to invest in relationships. Join mastermind groups or professional communities. You need to network strategically. Connect with people who inspire you. Prioritize deep, meaningful connections over surface-level interaction. The fifth area, personal growth and mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. If you do not believe in yourself, no amount of external success will bring lasting fulfillment. Here's how to invest in your mindset. Develop a morning routine that sets you up for success. Read self-improvement books and listen to motivational content. Practice self-reflection and journaling. You need to pick one area and you need to start making small daily investments in your own growth. Now let's go over the step-by-step guide to self-investment. Step 1, set SMART goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, set a goal to work out 3 times a week and lose 10 pounds in 6 months. Step 2, create a personal development plan. Identify key skills and areas for growth. Find relevant books, courses, and mentors. Allocate time in your schedule for personal development. Step 3, allocate resources. Set aside a learning budget for books, courses, and training. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to self-improvement activities. Step 4. Track progress and adjust. Regularly review and refine your goals. Reflect on what's working and what needs improvement. Step 5. Take risks and embrace discomfort. Put yourself outside of your comfort zone. Be willing to fall, learn, and grow. Start by setting one smart goal today and commit to 30-day self-investment challenge. Push yourself outside your comfort zone. Be willing to fall, learn, and grow. For the next 30 days, commit to actively investing in yourself. Whether it's reading a book, learning a new skill, improving your health, or networking, just take action. Drop a comment below. What's one area of your life you committed to invest in this year? Your future is in your hands. The best investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks, real estate, or business. It's in yourself. Start today and your future self will thank you.